Alright, welcome to this quick tutorial about how to sign up as an affiliate for Nadulpan and get commission through the links that you send out to other people. Now, if you do not have a account with Nadulpan, you first have to sign up. You can go to the homepage at nadulpan.org and then you'll get this page in front of you first. Now, you want to sign up. So here I'm just going to make a proxy person that doesn't really exist. I'm going to call her Sarah, and I'm going to give her the last name Nadulpan. Let's sign up. Alright, so now you will get an email in your email box with a welcome letter. Let's go there. Now you'll see that you got an email. Hi, Sarah Nadulpan. Thanks for signing up with Nadulpan Change. You'll see the website that you can go to that we were just from, the email that you used to sign up with, and your role as a student. Now you are not yet an affiliate by signing up. That is something that we have to do on our end. You can let us know through the WhatsApp group if you want to become an affiliate, or you can just send us an email. You can reply to this email and say, I want to become an affiliate. And then we will change that in the system for you. Now, when you become an affiliate, you'll get another email like this, and it will say, congratulations, your role has changed to student affiliate on nadulpan.org. Now you can log in and see the new changes. And now we're logged in. You'll see like a little person here, and you can also see affiliate under your tab. And if you click on there, you will see your affiliate ID, which is a unique code that you will get. And in fact, if you generate a link, which you only really have to do once, you can see that that code, that unique code that belongs to you, has been added to the complete link for the website. Now, if you copy this and you send it on to someone and they click on this, so they enter this into their browser, then you will automatically get 20% of whatever these people buy on Nadulpan. So if they follow a course, then you get 20% of whatever that course is making. And that's just an easy way of rewarding you for basically promoting your work through Nadulpan that we're trying to do here. You can also check out your sales that you've made and over a certain amount of time for a certain amount of courses, and then you can generate a report over the payouts that you've received, and of course, and you can enter your PayPal account data here. If you do not have a PayPal account, don't worry about it. You will still be making commissions for the links that you send out, but that's basically it. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions whatsoever. Good luck.